The Thing About Yetis by Vogel. The thing about Yetis is that Yetis love winter. Now I'm just curious. Have any of you ever seen a Yetis? I haven't. They love waking up on snowy and quiet mornings and drinking hot chocolate with their favorite stuffed toy. They love sliding down hills on their bottoms, building big snow castles. Ooh, that is cool. And pretending they are Godzilla. Oh my. They love ice skating, Yeti style, on their tummies. Yetis make the best snowballs on the planet. Whoa. And the best snowmen, too. Look at those kids. They're like, whoa! But sometimes winter can be tough. Even for a Yeti. Oh, look, he's going through a snowstorm. After all, Yetis get cold too. Really, really cold. And when their snowy fur finally dries, it gets a little... What do you think happens? Poofy. Oh, on those days when Yetis just can't get warm and the box of hot chocolate is empty, Yetis can get downright crabby. So here's a little secret for you. The thing about Yetis is that sometimes they miss summer. Oh, look at that. All that fun in the summer. They miss playing outside for hours and hours on long, sunny days. They miss looking for little creatures by the sea or having sea monster beauty contest. Yetis miss building big sand castles and pretending they are Godzilla. Wahoo! They miss zipping down splashy slides on their bellies. Woo! They miss wishing on a shooting star, the glowing light show of hundreds of fireflies, and the sound of crickets on warm summer nights. The thing about Yetis is that Yetis love winter because on the very coldest, wettest, windiest winter days, Yetis know just what to do. What do you think Yetis do, you guys? Before I turn this page, what do you think they do? Let's see. They make the warmest, coziest, calmest summer day right at home. Wow. Do you ever do that inside on a really cold winter day? Pretend it's summer inside? Oh my goodness, you must try it if you haven't. It is really fun. Look at that. What a great idea. All right. Okay, all last week I asked folks, hey, would you like to see how things are made? And sure enough, people said, oh, can we see how this is made? Can we see how this is made? And I'm even getting emails. Hey, Miss Heidi, what about this? I love it. So after stories, on some story days, we are going to look at how things are made. Today, we're going to see how a washing machine is made. Check this out.
In the days before electricity, doing laundry was just plain hard work. The first electric washing machines were little more than a bucket with a motor attached. Fully automatic machines came about in the 1960s, but with rising concern for the environment, there are new designs that need less water and electricity to get the dirty job done. Most washing machines contain a circular tub to hold the laundry, but this model has a unique feature: a hexagon-shaped tub made from panels of laser-cut perforated stainless steel. The operator separates the cut panels and places one on a bending machine called a press brake. It forces the panel against a die, bending the edge. The operator repositions the panel for the next bend, repeating this until the six-sided shape is complete. Then, an assembler attaches a hinged door to the tub's opening. That's where the laundry goes in. This inner tub is contained by another outer tub. To assemble it, a welder sets a stainless steel plate onto a welding fixture. Then he places the tub's main frame and slides in another steel plate to close it up. He clamps the tub firmly in place, then spot welds it on each side so the pieces hold together. Next, he takes the tub over to a machine called a seam welder. There, an electrode wheel travels all along the tub's edge, welding together the front and back panels to the main frame. There's still more welding to do with the use of a robotic welding arm to build the machine's 61 by 69 centimeter steel base. A concrete counterweight mounted on the outer tub's side prevents the machine from shaking too much when it's in operation. Next, an assembler attaches a pressure tube and a sump hose to draw the used water out of the machine. He seals both tubes with a watertight adhesive. Now he can install the suspension struts that support the outer tub, one at each corner of the base. A single electric motor powers the whole machine. It's set on the machine's underside, on an adjustable pivot shaft. With the motor in place, assemblers now turn over the completed outer tub and lower it into position on its base. They connect the support struts on all four sides, and then push the tub to make sure the struts align properly and keep the machine balanced. Next, the inner tub is set into the outer tub. Workers insert a stainless steel shaft right through both tubs. A strip of watertight foam is set all along the outer tub's perimeter to seal it before workers install a plastic bezel that keeps water from splashing out of the machine. Next, assemblers install the drive pulley onto the shaft that supports the inner tub. A drive belt connects the motor to the pulley, which rotates the shaft and the inner tub that it supports. Now they slide a stainless steel outer cabinet onto the base that covers the tubs. It contains a control board, the brain of the washing machine. The assembler sets the lid into place, and the machine is complete. The control board wiring is located on the underside of the lid. That's also where the valves that dispense detergent, bleach, and softener are. Before it leaves the plant, a member of the quality control team tests it out with a load of soiled laundry. According to the manufacturers, the unique shape of the inner tub is the key to making this a lean, green washing machine that requires less water, less detergent, and less energy to get the job done. There's been a lot of water under the bridge since the days of those first machines. They've sure come a long way.
Wow. Did you have any idea that it took so many parts and pieces welded together to make such an amazing machine. Wow. All right. Stay tuned and we will do more of these videos of how things are made. All right. See you soon. Love, Miss Heidi.